Here's Mr. Burges.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Arditti and Mr. Gutierrez, right?
Right.
Good. We will have a 1-minute introductory statement starting with Ms. Arditti and Mr. Gutierrez.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Regina Arditti, and I am the judge of the 448 District Court. The 448 District Court deals with civil cases only. It deals with people's lives and their livelihood. It deals with medical malpractice, legal malpractice. It deals with wrongful termination. It deals with death cases. These are extremely important cases. And those are cases in which you have the right to a jury trial. A jury trial is a constitutional right that I believe in. I took an oath as a judge to uphold the Constitution, and I have not violated that oath. Experience makes a difference. In a jury trial, only free people enjoy that constitutional right. A jury trial becomes important when it affects you, it affects your family, and it affects someone you love. When you go before a judge, you want a judge that has the experience and will be fair and treat you with dignity and respect. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for having me here today. Thank you, student body. Thank you, Burges High School. My name is Gutierrez. I am a candidate for the 448, and I'm here to give you a choice. As you know, the people, the judges, there's been bad light. I am here to propose to you that with my background, I have been a firefighter in El Paso for 13 years. I've served at this fire station down the street many years, and with that integrity, with that honesty, with those good morals, I bring to this court, and I ask for your vote. Gutierrez for the 448.
Thank you. Asking questions today will be Miles Mendeville, and he will have one question for Judge Arditti and one question for Mr. Gutierrez.
Thank you, sir.
Ms. Arditti, how have your past legal difficulties changed your view of the judicial system? If so, how? What have you learned from this experience?
Excuse me, sir, I think you need to speak a little bit louder so that I can understand the question a little bit better. Thank you very much, sir.
Have your past legal difficulties changed your view of the judicial system? If so, how? What have you learned from this experience?
I believe in the Constitution, and justice prevailed in my case in less than an hour. The Constitution is extremely important to each and every one of us. And again, without the Constitution and without justice, our society could not stand on our freedom. So I believe in every single constitutional right that we have, especially the right to a jury trial, in which this court, this civil court, is a civil jury trial court. And you are allowed to have your day in court. And you are allowed to have a jury of your peers make a decision as to what has occurred. Again, I believe in justice. And it has only strengthened my belief and increased the integrity of this court. Woo!
Mr. Gutierrez, would you please explain your plans to make the 448 District Court more self-sufficient?
Thank you. It's a very good question. This civil court currently, in the past couple of years, have had, from 2008 to 2011, have had 2,171 cases assigned to the court. Cases pending is 1,893. The percentage is astonishingly low. What I plan to do in this court is to move the docket, to move the cases forward, to have a set of deadlines so these cases and people on both sides can have their day in court. The cases that are being heard also are civil cases. Now, this court could also carry or help the family court cases and hear divorce cases, family issues, which they are hearing over 5,000 cases per year. So on average, this court has had from 421 cases assigned to 730 cases in 2008. They have plenty of time to help these other family court cases with their docket, and so that people can get their day in court a lot quicker. And that would help you, the community, the taxpayers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We will now have a 1-minute closing statement, starting with Judge Arditti.
First of all, I am no stranger to adversity. I'm not afraid of making those tough decisions when you have all the odds against you. I'm not afraid of making the difficult decisions as long as they are the right decisions. This court is a civil court. It is designated by the Council of Judges to only hear civil courts. Misrepresentations of the court are unethical and unprofessional. This court handles cases that at 90% result in on a yearly basis. First of all, I'm not intimidated by public opinion. I'm not intimidated by false accusations. And I think it's very unprofessional when the community is misrepresented with false numbers. It also violates the ethical provisions under the law. Thank you.
Mr. Gutierrez.
Thank you. And I hope she's not alluding to my calculations. These are all from the Opens Records Act. So if you go to my website, you can see my letter where I requested through the county and the city, and they provided me with these numbers. Furthermore, this court and this city and this community from the entire county needs to get people in position that are ethically, morally, that have good integrity, and my background speaks for that. And I ask for your vote. Ray Gutierrez for the 448. Thank you very much.